And welcome to Section 2 of Chapter 1, Phases in Classification of Matter. Here we're going to be talking about what matter is. It is, generally, always said to be any substance that has mass and volume. But that doesn't necessarily explain a whole lot, because what is mass? It's the property of any physical body, is how the definition likes to start. What it really is, mass, is inertia, the resistance to change in velocity, okay? Change in speed or direction. So how much effort does it take to cause something to start moving or to move in a different way? It also represents how matter interacts with space. We're talking gravity here. Now, two objects with mass are going to be pulled toward one another by a gravitational force. More mass, more force. So mass is about how objects move in space. And volume is the amount of space an object occupies. You'll notice that when you get to really basic fundamental definitions like this, that they tend to start getting circular like that. Matter is any physical object that has mass and takes up space. And then mass and volume are both defined as properties of physical objects. Doesn't really help. You could, if you really wanted to, go ahead and read a lot, and there is a lot of literature about what mass and volume are. There's a point where science starts turning into philosophy. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies, how much space it takes up. So getting down to some of the nitty-gritty, matter is stuff, the physical material of the universe, and it has mass and volume. Mass is generally measured in grams, kilograms, milligrams. Volume is going to be measured in liters or milliliters, sometimes cubic meters, cubic centimeters, things like that. Don't worry, we'll be spending lots of time with units. So let's go ahead and give you a little bit of math for you to practice on. Go ahead and do the following conversions. You're going to need to be good at converting between units. That's a very important sort of thing. Textbook has some quick guidelines to help you through this. Remember, it's a matter of moving the decimal place for these things. Bigger unit means a smaller number. Smaller unit means a bigger number. So here at the top, 1.25 kilograms, changing it to grams. Grams are smaller than kilograms, so there's going to be more of them in the same amount of matter. So you should expect to have more grams, a bigger number of grams than kilograms. Alright, I'll see you next time.